This is the question asked in today's SkillTrack daily challenge. So in the first line of our input, we will be given two integers n and p. So here n is equal to 4 and p is equal to 2, and it is given in the question that there are 3 cups in a game. So we are going to represent a cup using the integer 0. So I am just going to print 3 zeros. So now these are 3 cups, and it is also given in the question that initially a ball is present under a cup at the position p. So p is equal to 2. So there are 3 cups, and in the second cup there is a ball in it. So I am going to update the value of the second 0 to 1. So if it is 0, then it is an empty cup, and if it is 1, then there is a ball inside that particular cup. So now we will be given n pair of integers. So here n is equal to 4, so we are given 4 pair of integers. So in each and every pair, the respective cups will be swapped. So the first pair of integers is 1, 2. So the first cup and the second cup will be swapped. So 0, 1. So now the ball comes to the first cup and the second cup becomes empty now. So this is how the modified array will be looking like. And then the second pair is 3, 1. So the first cup and third cup should be swapped. So now it becomes 0, 0, 1. And then the third pair is 1, 2. So the first two cups will be swapped. So the first two cups are already 0. So it will going to remain as such. And then the last pair is 3, 1. So first cup and third cup will be swapped. So now our output will become 1, 0, 0. So now we have updated the value of the integer array 4 times. So now the ball is currently present in the first cup. So in our output, we have to print that position. So we are also printing 1 in our output. So this is how we get our output 1. So first I am creating two integer variables n and p, and then using a scanf statement I am accepting the values of n and p as input. And it is given in the question that there will be 3 cups present in the game. So I am creating an integer array named ARR of size 3, and initially I am setting all the values to 0. And now as per the condition given in the question, initially the ball will be present at the position p. Since in array we store from index 0, we are setting ARR of p minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So here we can just set any of the value. We can set either 1 or minus 1. It should be a non-zero value. I have set it as minus 1. So now we have to accept n pair of integers. So I am creating a loop that iterates for n number of times, and in every iteration we will be accepting a pair of integers. So I am creating two integer variables named int1 and int2, and using scanf I am accepting the values of the variables int1 and int2. So now our task is to swap the values present at the index int1 and int2 in the array ARR. And again, since we have stored from 0, we have to swap the values present at the index int1 minus 1 and int2 minus 2. So after the execution of this I loop, the values in the array will be swapped. And now our task is to find where the integer minus 1 is present. So that is the place at which the ball is present. So again I am creating a loop that iterates for 3 number of times, because the size of the array ARR is 3. And then in every iteration I am going to check whether ARR of I is equal to minus 1. So if it is equal to minus 1, then that is where the ball is present. So we print I plus 1. So that will be the required output. So this is the logic to solve today's daily challenge. Thank you for watching.